Hi, I'm Hazel Ricky, UR 14 CS 293. This is my Web Lab 4th experiment. In this experiment, we're going to see CSS advanced techniques. So, in this experiment, first we are creating a background image in which we have a background image with no repeat. So, it comes as a full background image. Then we are also accessing our style sheet. In this, I have my CSS4 style sheet where I've done all my styling for this particular experiment in this style sheet, and with the help of my HTML page I access this style sheet. Then first we are creating a header with the help of a list. In that we are having home, profile, menu item 3, 4 and contact us. So this comes on the top of the page in the form of, not in the form of a list but in a straight line. Then we have my next part, which is the HTML5 skills and CSS3 skills. It comes in different divisions and doesn't come in this it comes in different spans and in the same division. Then we have the profile of Miss Hazel Ricky, which comes in the left side of the particular page. Then when I mention web developer, it comes on the right side of the particular page. And then I have images for my family members, which is my father, mother and my brother. That comes in a circular form, as I have mentioned border radius, and it also comes when I hover on top of it, it displays the particular image, and when I don't hover on top of it, it has a particular color, that is a green color of a background color on top of it. Then we have a table. In this particular table I have the favorite foods. In this also, when I hover on top of the table, it shows the particular food in which I am interested, and when I don't hover, it again goes back to a translucent type. Now when I perform this particular experiment, this is how my web page is created. In this, first we have my menu item, home, profile, menu item 3, 4 and contact us. In this particular page, then we have my HTML5 skills and CSS3 skills. This is in the form of a radius, that is actually a progress bar. Then we have the particular part where we mentioned about the profile and the web developer, and this particular part is for my family members. So in this, as we see that in this family members, we have mentioned border radius, we have mentioned green, and we have also mentioned the position of it. Green is basically for the background color. As you can see in this, when I don't hover on top of it, it has a green color, but as soon as I hover on top of it, it goes back to the normal particular image. Then when I go back to this, I've also given some description below it, which comes displayed below these particular images. Then again, as I have shown, my particular my images also have a border radius of 50% and the border color is black. So in this, you can see that the border radius is black. And also, now we go back to the tables part. Tables part also, we had mentioned about it, when on being hovered, it shows the particular item. So when you go to the tables part, so long it has a translucent shade, but as soon as I click on coffee pudding, it shows the particular item. When I click on lemon tart, it shows the particular item. When I click on muffins, it shows the particular item, and sizzling brownie, it shows the particular item. This is done based on our CSS advanced experiment, and this is my CSS style sheet. In this, I mentioned the type of display and the type of styling I need to do for each particular image and background and division. For example, my snow, which is my background, as you can see, it is a fixed background and it has not been repeated. So since as I have given it as repeat X and fixed, and then you have the list has inline block and it has bold and none, that is text decoration, etc. So this is my list. This home, menu item, profile, etc. is my list, and it has the particular styling. And then when we go down to table, etc., you can see that each has a particular styling done to it. and the particular each division in which I have mentioned here, div 1, div 2, div 3, etc. See example div 2, this has particular styling for div 2, so div 2 has a particular styling with background color, with font size, etc. So this is my CSS lab experiment, which was my lab experiment for web technology lab. Thank you.